Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install, configure, and customize the trade form module for efficient customer data collection in your store. Let's get started. Log into the admin area of your website. Once the module is installed, go to Modules and open the Extensions tab. Use the quick search to locate the trade form module. Click Edit to open the configuration page. Now let's enable and configure the module. Set the module status to True to enable the trade form. Set the mandatory option to True if the form must be completed. Select the required user group from the drop-down list to define which customers the form applies to. Click Update to save your settings. Next, customize the front-end design. Go to Design CMS, then select Themes. Choose the active theme and click Customize. Select the required view mode, desktop or mobile. Now let's manage trade form fields and layout. Click the Pages button in the customization interface. Find the trade form subsection using the search bar inside the pop-up window. If needed, you can delete it by clicking the bin icon, or simply click on the desired item to select it. To manage fields and blocks, click the Widgets button. Use the available action icons to edit fields, move elements, add new widgets, delete elements, export configurations, apply the required changes to all field blocks and widgets. Finally, review and save the configuration. Check that all fields are displayed correctly. Click the preview button and switch between desktop and mobile views to confirm the layout. That's it. The trade form module is now fully configured and ready to collect customer data efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.